Hello, my name is Stacey Phillips and today I'm here at Edinburgh Zoo, and normally I'd be sharing with you the sights, but today I'm going to do something a bit different and share with you the sounds of Edinburgh Zoo. So hope you enjoy.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Dongo. Now, if anybody can hear my voice but can't see me and would like to join us for our chimpanzee talk and feed, I'm being interrupted by chimpanzees. This is brilliant.
Not all of them. I'm still working on quite a lot of last year's checks because over the winter there was a period where we weren't bringing people in and that. There was a kind of a bit of precautions being taken with the avian flu. So I missed kind of all the young ones, like my quality time with them to get to know them. One I have learned is Fred, because Fred has, likes to chew on your knees. So yeah, you tend to learn the most naughtiest ones first.
Ik had het wachten gehad. Dat je dan een tiefe, weet je maar. Heeft je vriend, heeft je door.